We have a breaking weather alert. Tornadoes and damaging winds are expected. Stay tuned for the latest updates.
Reports of storm damage are coming in. Stay safe and be wary of downed power lines and debris littering the roadway.
Remember to shelter in place and avoid unnecessary travel until the storm completely passes through. Use your best judgment and rely on local authorities for guidance.
Stay informed with community updates and take note of the available shelters if needed. Your safety is important, and help is available.